In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Talkie AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update a character's scene using the built-in image creator, so your Talkie looks right at home in the setting you imagined. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI, then click the official Talkie AI website in the results. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled Create a Talkie and select it. This takes you into the Creation workspace where you can manage your characters. From here, choose the character whose background you want to change. You'll see the character's image area in the editor. In the image section, click the small edit icon to open image editing tools. Next, choose the option that says Click to create new. This opens the image creation panel where you'll generate a new portrait with the background you want. Type a clear, specific prompt that includes both the character and the background setting. The more precise you are, the better the results. Mention the location or scene, the mood or lighting, and any key visual elements you want in the background. For example, you might describe a city rooftop at sunset, a cozy library interior, or a futuristic lab with neon lighting. If style matters, add details like realistic, cinematic, soft lighting, or vibrant colors to guide the generator. When your prompt looks good, click the Generate button. It may appear highlighted to indicate it's ready. Now, wait while the system creates the image. This can take a moment, so be patient and let it finish. When the results appear, review them carefully. If something's off, maybe the background isn't prominent enough or the mood isn't right, click Regenerate to try again, or refine your prompt with clearer instructions. Small tweaks often make a big difference, like specifying the camera angle, distance, or time of day. Once you see an image you're happy with, select it and click Use Image. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click Confirm. Your character will now update to the new image with the background you described, and you'll see it reflected back in the editor. That's all you need to change a background in Talkie AI. Keep your prompts focused, include the setting details you care about, and don't hesitate to iterate until it looks just right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating scenes that bring your character to life.